If you have watermelon, you're in for a real treat. We're making a watermelon sorbet and using the ice cream maker to do it. So it's a real simple process, but I'll show you how. And my sous chef, Coco, is gonna help because she loves watermelon. This sorbet is fresh, fruity, and light. It's perfect for summer. You start with the seedless watermelon. You need about 4 cups of the fruit, so maybe half of a watermelon. Just remove the flesh and chop it roughly. And then we're going to put it into a food processor, but you could also use a blender. Squeeze some lemons to get fresh lemon juice. You need about half a cup. And then in a saucepan, you combine sugar, corn syrup, and the lemon juice. And what you're going to do is cook it down just so that the sugar dissolves. And then we're going to add it to the watermelon puree. Adding the citrus gives this kind of a pink lemonade vibe. Vodka is the secret ingredient. It helps to prevent the ice crystals from forming in the sorbet. Chill it well for a few hours and then transfer it to the pre-chilled ice cream container and turn it on. It'll take 15 to 20 minutes to start to form the sorbet. And when it's done, this is what it looks like. You could actually eat it directly from the container like this because it's actually at a perfect consistency, but you can freeze it as well. And I've got this special container. I highly recommend you get one. They're real convenient. The lid is silicone, so it comes off easy. And there you go. A beautiful, beautiful watermelon sorbet. It's perfect for summer, and the family, the kids are going to love it. Don't wait. Make some today. I hope you enjoy.